Okay, hello and welcome to today's lesson. The learning objective is to know how to add surds multi-step. Here is a retrieval practice. Make sure to pause the video and give yourself enough time, because I will be moving on to the next slide. Okay, well done. Make sure to mark your work out of 6 in green pen. Okay, so when we are adding surds, what we need to do is ensure that we factorise the surds to simplify. So if the surds need to be factorised to simplify, then we're going to do that. Okay. Second step is to add the surd with the same base number. So basically what is within the surd. So for example here, the number that's inside the surd is 3. So 3 is the base number, and then simplify again. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So does it need to be factorised? No. Do they have the same base number? Yes, both of them have 3 in the inside. So let's simplify it. So 1 root 3 plus another root 3 is just going to give us 2 root 3. What I like to do, if you're ever in doubt, just treat the root 3, if they have the same base number, just treat it as an x. So not to confuse anybody, you can rewrite it as root 3 is x. So you can rewrite that whole equation. Well, not equation, that whole term, all right? So you can write x plus x, which is the same as that. So x plus x is 2x, and we know that x stands for root 3. So we can write our answers like that. Okay, so make sure you pause your video and then try the we do. Okay, let's go over this one now. So we have 2 root 5 plus root 5. Do they need to be factorised? No. Do they have the same base number? Yes. So it's going to be 2 root 5 plus 1 lot of root 5, which will just give us 3 root 5. Okay. I'm now going to go on to the next slide. All right. So here's an exam style question. So with this one, we don't have the same base numbers. Okay, so what we're going to have to do is actually factorise both of the surds so we have the same base number in them. So root 75 can be rewritten as, if we use some prime factor decomposition, that's going to help us. So we can split it into root 25 and root 3. Root 25 is just 5. Okay, and root 3 can't be simplified any further. Okay, and then let's do this for 27. Well, we can get root 9 out and we can get root 3. Okay, so let's rewrite that. When we rewrite it, it's going to be 5 root 3. So we're just basically writing it as a product of its, we're writing it as a product of its factors, basically, and that's what we've done. We're just writing as a product of its factors, where it's written in the form where 3 is its base number. Okay, so we have 5 lots of root 5, 5 lots of root 3, and 3 lots of root 3. When we add them together, we are going to get 8 lots of root 3. So 8 root 3. Okay, I'm going to be moving on to the next slide now. So here's independent practice. I want you guys to have a good go at these questions. Remember to factorise it to simplify. So if you are ever in doubt, make sure you rewind the video and look at what I did here again, okay? So you are going to have to simplify. Okay, so make sure you pause your video now. Give yourself as much time as you need to complete as many questions as possible. Okay, well done. Here are the answers. Make sure to mark your work. here we have another example of an I do redo. With this one, you're just going to be expanding out the brackets as usual. So what you're going to do is do root 2 times by 3 and root 2 times by root 2. If you remember, when you have two numbers with the same base number side, what you're going to get is that base number. So root 2 times root 2 is just going to be 2. Okay, as I very slowly write it. I don't know why my pen's not working, sorry about that. Yep, 2. Okay, and now try the we do, okay? So the answer to that is just going to be 3 root 6 plus 6.